Python is one of the most widely used language in a recent past. So definitely the advantage it has, if you just take the new technologies like AI, having an idea on Python is must. So the reason behind that is it has a lot of built-in modules, built-in functions, and also the community it has. So if you just got any kind of issues, there is a huge community which is ready to help you. So in order to learn this, there are a lot of resources available online. So some are paid and some are free. So in this video I just want to explain you about 3 best resources, or let's say 3 best platforms where you can just learn Python for free. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and as well as like this video and share it with your friends who just want to learn Python. So with that, let's start this video.
Nevertheless, at the beginning, even you can just learn Python from my channel. I have just created around 32 videos. So from a beginner, so if you are an absolute beginner, if you just want to start learning Python, you can just go through my channel as well. And yeah, enough self-promotion. So now let's see what are all the available free resources. So number 1 is the course from Coursera. That's the Python for everybody specialization. So this is the course which is offered by University of Michigan. So you can see it has around 5 courses. So in the first course you will just learn basics of Python. So it's an introduction for the course. And in the second course you can just learn about the Python data structures like list, tuple, dictionaries, sets, right? We have all these data structures. So built-in data structures. So you can just learn about that in the second course. And in the third course, you can just learn how you can just use this Python to access web data, right? So in the first 2 courses, you can just learn the basics and you can just use that which you have just learned in the first 2 courses and to use that to use it in real world applications, right? You can just able to access web data using Python. That you can just learn. And even in the 4th course, you can just learn about the databases. And in the 5th course, you can just able to use that Python to visualize the data. So this is an absolute beginner friendly course. If you are a complete beginner, if you just want to start learning Python, this is one of the best course. So you can see we can just enroll for the course and it's just asking to pay money. So you don't need to pay. You can just apply for financial aid and you can just learn that course. And if you just want to know how you can just apply the financial aid, I have already a video on that. You can just go through and you can just know how you can just apply for financial aid. So that you can just learn this course for free. So that's this course like Python for everybody, specialization from Coursera. And second course, so I don't say it as a course. So it's a website where you can just learn a Python. So that's Geeks for Geeks. So this is the one of the best website where you can just learn Python. Even when I just started learning Python, I just used this. So it's completely amazing how they just structured this course and structured this. So you can just go through this and you can just learn. And the best thing about this is even you can just they have an online compiler. So if you just want to practice then and there itself, so you can see even they have everything from basics to advanced level, like let's say operators, data types, functions, exception handling, file handling. Even they used to have the quizzes and you can just go through that and you can just practice that also. So this is one of the best websites you can just learn, where you can just learn Python. And number 3, we have a Google IT automation with Python professional certificate. So I have already created a separate video on this. So you can just check it out. So even this is completely worth taking. So this specialization, this professional course consists of 6 courses. The first course consists of the crash course on Python. Like you will just get to know about the Python fundamentals, and the remaining courses you can just use what you just learned in this course, right? You can just use that build some applications. You can see you just have an introduction to Git and as well as troubleshooting and debugging. You have everything that you just want to learn in Python. So this is also a best course where you can just learn Python for free. So yeah, if you just enroll, you just ask to pay, but don't worry, you can just apply for financial aid. So you can see here, here the option like financial aid available. So you can just click and apply through the financial aid. So you can just learn it for free. So these are the 3 courses where you can just learn Python for free, and as well as the best courses which I just researched. So yeah, so if you are willing to take, you can just take these courses and you can just learn Python.
So these are the 3 platforms or 3 resources, free resources where you can just learn Python for free. I hope this video is helpful for you. So with that, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, keep learning, take care, and thanks for watching.